In the video titled The Creator, I realized how important technology is in our lives. It helps make our tasks easier and assists us in accomplishing things that humans can achieve. In the case of Maya, or as we call her, Nirmata, I was amazed by her innovation because she used technology to create AI robots for good purposes. One of her creations that made me amazed was Alfie, who came from her human child with Joshua. Haron said, "There will never be one like her." Her mother completed her with a secret. She could have made her hate mankind. Perhaps she should have. But Maya put her love for you into the child. She made a kind of life from a scan of a human embryo, a copy of your child. These words from Haran really touched my heart because someone like Maya should be emulated. She truly used technology for good and not for bad things. And I'm happy that I was given the opportunity to watch this movie because, like the surgeons, I was also afraid that one day robots might replace us, especially in serving or ruling our country. At first, I did not agree with AI robots because, in my view, they were bad. They had no emotions, and if they wanted to harm people, they could do it without feeling guilt, since they are robots and have no feelings for human. That was really my perspective on them. But after watching this movie, I realized that robots are not the ones who are bad. We humans, we are the ones who are bad. We take advantage of technology and use it in the wrong ways. Not all people misuse it, but majority do not use technology properly. We should learn to accept our mistakes because, as one of the characters in the movie said, that humans created a bomb that failed and it affected many people. However, humans shifted the blame to Dharmata and her allies, which was wrong. Why would we blame someone who was never a part of our failure? Why blame someone who has done nothing but good? This video taught me a huge lesson because I realized that we should not blame others for the mistakes we made. Instead, we should accept our mistake and do everything we can to ensure that it will never happen again. Remember, advanced technology is okay. Using AI robots is okay. What is not okay is using them improperly, which can cause chaos and conflict between different sides.